YouTubers. Today I'm gonna make strawberry Falooda drink and dessert mix. This is just a Falooda with parsley, maybe chia seeds, everything inside. And for this Falooda making, I need those ingredients before I put the mix. So I'm gonna need 1 liter milk and 1 glass of water, which is I did already, and it's boiling. 1 liter milk with the 1 cup of water. It's a full original milk, and I put 1 spoon inside. So I don't know, this is really works. So milk not going to burn. So I will let the milk boil like 10 to 15 minutes. After that I will add the mix, pour the mix on it, and then I'm gonna put it on cool in my refrigerator, and then I will put the toppings. My milk is perfectly boiled. You can see this. It's a full cream milk, so it take like 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna add all those ready mix. Add it like this and mix it. It's mixing. It's already inside with the and everything with the mix. Yeah. It's pretty easier. Just wait another 15 minutes. You can see this. It's a texture with the sugar and everything with the chia seeds. I will wait another 15 minutes to be done, and after that I'm gonna put it my Falooda mixture on refrigerator. So it's boiling. Another 10 more minutes I will add. The vermicelli is not boiled enough, so wait. Okay, my Falooda is finally boiled, and it's ready to go in refrigerator to cool another 15-20 more minutes, and after that I will toppings. I don't have enough fruits or strawberries, so I put coconuts, it's organic, and apples and some banana, which is going to be dark already for the iron. So those are my toppings for today. Few steps I have, and I'm gonna add pistachio later. So for now, those are my toppings. I'm sorry for the shaking, I'm still very sick. Now it's a serving time. So I'm putting the half of my Faloodas for topping. Not gonna use the whole part of the mix, so just like half bowls. I'm gonna put this on cool side, and the half bowls will put for later time. My Falooda is ready finally, so I'm gonna add some berry jelly on the tops. As well, I'm gonna add some fruits on the toppings too. I'm going to add more jelly later. I'm adding apples as a decoration. Now coconut. And sorry for the dark banana, but the iron is dark. Now I'm going to add some pistachio and put beside. I'm gonna add later. I'm gonna add more jelly now. I have little cups too. Now the final decoration will be my scoop ice cream. One scoop. Second scoop. Third scoop. Fourth scoop. And a little more jelly on the top, just a decoration, and pistachio on it. So that's my more apples. So that's my quick and easy Falooda. It's very easy, like 2 hours I did it, within 2 hours, so it's going to be fun. Yeah, so please try it. It's easy and super easy. It will be fun to create one Falooda day. So that's all for today. Thank you. So that's all for my Falooda next recipe, quick and easy, and it's very yummy also and very delicious. So I hope you guys will like it. As in sick passion, I'm trying. Still, it's very hard things to do for me, but still I'm trying my best to active more for my subscribers. And please, if you want to see those kind of recipes on my channel, please thumbs up to my videos and stay with me, be with Shadows, be with Opera. Subscribe for more videos and see you soon with the new videos. I have left some videos for you guys, so please keep watching Shadows of Opera. Lots of love.